안녕하세요, Chairman Dishandapnida. What's going on, everyone? It's your girl D here, back again with an unboxing for you. And today, I'm unboxing my pet treater box for August 2018. I'll leave all the information down below about pet treater. Let's go ahead and get started. All right, I can't remember. I'm not gonna lie, I can't remember how much I pay for this, but I think I pay for it yearly. It just comes. Real talk, it just comes when it comes. And basically what it is a subscription box for your dog. I think they have one for cats too, if I'm not mistaken. And depending on the size of your dog will depend on what you get in your box. All right, so this month is Romeo's birthday month. Let's see if there's anything in here for his birthday. Yo, that scared the crap out of me. Y'all, I just saw something in here that scared the crap out of me. I'm terrified of snakes, okay? Something in here looked like a snake. It's kind of snake-like. And I was about to throw this box on the floor and cut this camera off. Anywho, let's see. Is there a card today? Is there a card in here? There's no card in here. But this is the thing that scared the shit out of me right here. You see this? Don't that look like a snake? Yo, that scared the shit out of me. Okay, this is a flip-flop rope toy for dogs. It's a flip-flop, and it looks like a flip-flop now. And here is the other side. This is from, where are you from? From Bow Wow Pet. This is good for dental health. So it's just something for your dog to chew on, and it's nice and sturdy too. So I do appreciate that. It's just like a rope toy that's made from a flip-flop. Doesn't squeak or anything. Nice. Next thing in here, what are you? Uh-oh, wait, this right here looks like it was in this rubber band. It's an ice tray. This says pet treater summer treat popsicles. Oh, it's a magnet. This is a magnet. This is ingredients for popsicles. See that? That is so cool. And again, this right here is my ice tray. It has paws and bones and paws on it. This is nice. All right. Popsicles. That looks easy. You use bananas and yogurt and peanut butter. I got some peanut butter in another subscription box, so maybe I will use that for this recipe and try this out. That's awesome. Happy to get that. All right, next thing that I have in here, what are these? There are some cards in here. Hold on. I got some cards in here. This is the Ultimate Pet Friendly Road Trip. This is a book about pet friendly road trips. And this is the Pet Treater Pick of the Litter. This is Brutus right there. And what is this about? This is about sustainable dogs. So this is from jimmys.com. Some dog treats I think we may have in here from Jimmy's. And then what are these? These are from Charlie Bear Dog Treats. charliebear.com. Bear Crunch. They are grain-free, only 3 calories, made in the USA. They're for training. They look like that there. And here's the other side of that. So maybe some of these treats are in here. Excuse me. What is this? Ah, here it is. Here's a sample of the Jimmy's training treats. These are sweet potatoes, oats, peas, and crickets. Y'all, it says crickets on here. They're yep, crickets. Real crickets. Hold on, let me look at that thing again. Jimmy's. Yeah, there are crickets in here. Look at that. It says it. See? I'm not kidding. I can't make that up. See that? Sweet potato, peas, oats, crickets, y'all. The crickets are high in protein and low calorie. They are made in the USA, and they're hypoallergenic. And here's the other side, what that looks like, in case you're interested. Let me open these up. I'm curious about what a cricket treat looks like. There's nothing. They smell strong, I tell you that. And there's nothing in here moving. Because if it was, I'd be screaming. This is what the treat looks like. See that? A little square. Let's see if my friend here is going to eat it. I'll give him a little tiny piece. You like the crickets? You like the crickets? It's gone. So I guess that means he's back up here for more crickets. So hold on a second. All right, here's another one. This is from Travis Borison's Great American Dog Treats, made in USA. Only one ingredient, 100% beef, all natural. They are for stuffing in toys, obedience training, etc. And it looks like that. And these were hand packed by the employees at For Our Kids. So that's cool. There's the other side about For Our Kids. Nice. All right, so let me see what these are about. I like getting these little pouches like this because they're really good for training when I have him outside for walks and such. So let's see. Oh, these are strong too. They smell like beef. Straight up. That's what it looks like there. Like a piece of bacon. Let's see if he wants this here. It's kind of crispy like a piece of bacon too. If I can break it. Here we go. He's gone. It's gone. It's gone, y'all. He ate it. All right. Next thing up. Oh, this is cool. It's not drinking alone if the dog is home. It's not drinking alone if the dog is home. Pet treater. This right here is like a can, like a soda can holder, so that your hands will get cold when you're holding it. So this is something for the human. Every time, that's what I like about Pet Treater. They always give you something for the human. So thank you for thinking about me, Pet Treater. We got something else in here. Here is the Bear Crunch. Charlie Bear Crunch. A little sample pack right here. These are the ones that on the card that I had showed you before. Here is the other side, what that looks like. It's backwards, I know. Here's the other side here. Let's see. Let me pull out my scissors and cut open a little bit and see if he likes the Bear Crunch. And these they're small enough I can put in his little toy. They smell like a cookie. They look like a cookie. See that? They look like a cookie. All right, let's see if he wants the cookie. Let's see. You hear him crunching it? It's gone. It's gone. He likes his treats. That's a good thing. More treats, which is awesome. More treats. This is from Granny's Apple Recipe Krispies. This is from Healthy Dogma, made in the USA. Look at how cute that packaging is. That's Grandma Dogma right there. Right there. Look at that. And there she is in her little convertible. These treats have no wheat, corn, or soy. All natural, USA source ingredients. 100% real fruit and proudly made in the Motor City. The first ingredient is rice flour, applesauce, barley, flakes, oatmeal. So, yeah. All right. Awesome. So they made in Michigan, in Motor City. Detroit, maybe? Nope. Lake Orion. All right. Let's see here what the Motor City treats taste like. First of all, this is what they look like. I bet they smell like apples. They smell, you know what? I smell apple and cinnamon. Oh my gosh. That smells good. It smells like fall. That's what the treat looks like right there. They're kind of big. And let's see if I can break a piece off. Oh, here we go. They're chewy. Oh my gosh, they're chewy on the inside. They smell like, they remind me of a cookie. Like an oatmeal cookie. They're really chewy. All right, let's see if he will eat this. Let me break off a smaller piece. You like that? You taste the apple in there, Romeo? He's smacking on it, y'all. You can't see, but he's tearing it up. All right, it's gone. I'm glad he likes his treats. I got one toy, y'all. One toy. This is Flapjack. Play, fetch, and chew. This is what Flapjack looks like. What animal are you, Flapjack? Are you a I don't know what animal he is, but that's what the tag looks like. Here's the other side. This is from where are you from? Bow Wow Pets. It's stuffing free. It doesn't have stuffing in it, but it does squeak. It has a couple of squeakers. There's one here, and there's one here. Wait. Nope, there's not one here. This is just the head of the toy. He has one squeaker right here that my dog is going to chew through in like 5 seconds. All right, my friends, that's everything in my pet treater for August. Let's recap. I got Flapjack right here with the one squeaker. I got a lot of treats, y'all, which I'm happy about. The Healthy Dogma apple treats right here. I also got these, the Bear Crunch right here. I also got the sweet potato, oats, and crickets right here by Jimmy's. He seemed to really like the crickets. I also got the ice tray to make the popsicles with. Let me open it up right quick. The ice tray, and then the recipe for the popsicles. So I'm excited about that. And then I also got, for me, I got the can holder. Can always have too many of those. And then last but not least, I got another. Well, no, there's one more thing actually. I got the flip flop rope toy, which I thought was a snake. And then I got the dog treats from Travis Borson. All right, my friends, that's everything in my pet treater for August. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you get pet treater, leave a comment down below. Let me know what you got for your dog. Let me know what kind of dog you have, all right? Don't forget to rate, comment, and subscribe. I'm close to 1,000 subscribers. When I get to 1,000, there will be a giveaway. All right, friends, talk to you next time. Bye-bye. Have a fantastic day.
넌 나고 난 나